Are you looking for the best digital pianos? In this video we will looking some of the 5 best digital pianos review on the market in 2023. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. RockJam 61 Key Touch Display Keyboard Piano. Kit with digital piano bench, electric piano, stand, headphones, piano note stickers, sustain pedal, simply piano lessons. The RockJam 761 Keyboard Piano Super Kit includes a digital keyboard with 61 full-size keys, giving you that traditional piano feel whilst maintaining a portable and compact design that can be powered by either mains, power supply included, or batteries. This RockJam 761 piano keyboard features a touch display panel that both displays feedback and engages the 200 rhythms, 200 tones, a teaching function, and 30 demo songs that are part of its functionality. The RockJam 761 electric piano has record and playback functionality, allowing you to build layers to your sound, and the MIDI output integrates with your digital audio workstation like Ableton and Logic via a single cable. This music keyboard super kit package includes a keyboard stand that is sturdy in design and can be adjusted to suit keyboard piano players both young and old. This electric piano keyboard super kit contains a padded seat that is easily folded and has a thick padded seat for hours of comfortable play. Number 2. Digital Piano Bundle. Electric keyboard with 88 semi-weighted keys, built-in speakers, 5 voices, and sustain pedal, Alesis Recital and M-Audio SP2. Digital Piano Bundle, universal sustain pedal and professional electric keyboard/piano with semi-weighted keys, perfect for musicians and performers. Recital, start playing professional keys today. Digital piano loaded with 5 expertly crafted voices and powerful educational features that guarantee to have you playing professional keys fast. Recital, natural piano feel and perfect response that's tailored to you. 88 premium full-sized semi-weighted keys with adjustable touch response to suit your preferred playing style. Recital, stellar sound, dual built-in 20W speakers deliver crystal clear room-filling sound and 1/4, 6.35mm stereo headphone output for private practice, 2 built-in FX, chorus, reverb. Recital, powerful educational features, standard, split, layer, record and lesson modes with 128 note max, polyphony make learning professional keyboards a snap. SP2 genuine piano style sustain, universal sustain pedal with chrome foot pedal for a natural piano style, pedal action with a polarity switch for compatibility with all electronic keyboards. Number 3. Roland Go Keys 61 Key Music Creation Piano Keyboard. With integrated Bluetooth speakers, GO61K, brand Roland, color red, number of keys 61, skill level beginner, special feature easy to use, loop mix function, fully wireless, compatible with ScratchX, fun and inspiring keyboard for beginning musicians. Loop mix allows you to build songs by simply playing notes on the keyboard. Manipulate the sounds of your loops with intuitive one-touch control. Bluetooth audio/MIDI support for connecting with your smartphone or tablet. Over 500 pro-quality sounds, pianos, synths, strings, bass, brass, and more. Number 4. Pile 61 Keys Digital Electronic Piano Keyboard. With Bluetooth, preset selectable tones, digital, LCD, portable musical karaoke electric pianoforte, includes stand, stool, book rack, and headset. 61 keyboard keys. This compact and portable karaoke musical keyboard comes with 61 percussion keyboard keys and built-in full-range stereo speakers, as well as a simple electronic plug-in operation, allowing you to play a variety of piano pieces. Preset selectable tones. This digital musical electronic keyboard comes packed full of multiple preset, selectable keyboard sound, tone and rhythm styles. Also has a record and playback mode, a digital LCD display, and an auto chord function. Bluetooth function. The digital keyboard piano is equipped with a Bluetooth feature that allows the phone to connect the keyboard and play music. It can also be connected to a speaker. Connect and stream audio from external devices. Fun for all ages. Our karaoke keyboard piano is suitable for use by both children and adults. It is also ideal for performances at home, theater, and the living room. With the adjustable volume control and a mic input jack, come sing and play along. All in package. The package contains a complete set of digital musical karaoke keyboard, book rack, adapter, power plug, keyboard stand, keyboard stool, and headset. Set up and practice your skills with the karaoke feature of our keyboard piano. Number 5. Yamaha P45 88 key weighted digital piano. Color, black, brand Yamaha, color black, number of keys 88, skill level beginner, special feature weighted keys. Includes the P45 digital piano, power adapter, sustain pedal and music rest. 88 fully weighted piano-style keys simulate the feel of an acoustic piano and provide a quality playing experience. GHS weighted action is heavier in the low end and lighter in the high end, just like an acoustic piano. Contains 10 different voices, including digitally sampled tones from real Yamaha acoustic grand pianos. Dual mode lets you combine two voices together, like piano and strings, for an inspiring new playing experience. Tuning, 414.8 to 440.0, 446.8 Hz.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button. Press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.